Okay, hello student. Today we will discuss this chapter in the earlier city. This is chapter 3 of your history subject, and in chapter 2 we have discussed. In chapter 1 is also we have discussed that life of early human being, and a human being was living in Stone Age, and the Stone Age was divided in 3 parts. The 3 parts were the Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic. You know well that from the Neolithic age, some innovation was started, some discovery was there, and the fire was used by human beings, and some agriculture occupation was also opted by early human being. Now today in this chapter we will discuss in the earlier cities, means which cities were known as the first cities we will discuss here. Why these cities were known as the first cities, and why we are calling that these are cities. As you know that the village and cities, what is difference between village? There was a no proper way of the settlement of human being. There is a scattered settlement of human being in always you have seen in village areas, and there was a no proper architecture are used in the village areas. But in cities you have seen that the architecture is very good. As like in earlier time, the 2 cities were found where the architecture and the making of town was very in proper manner. That's why we are saying that these cities were known as earlier cities. So first cities were Harappa, and Mohenjo-daro. So Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, there was 2 cities, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. This is known as a Harappan civilization also. This is known as a Harappan civilization, and also known as a Indus Valley civilization. Why both are same? Because Harappa civilization and Indus Valley civilization both are same, because both cities were found in Indus River Valley. You know Indus River, we will discuss that this is India map. So Indian Peninsula, you know that, and here from this area, Indus River and Indus tributaries are flowing. So because of the Harappa is located are found at the bank of river of Indus. This is Indus River, and here the Ravi, and near Ravi river, the Mohenjo-daro. So here, that's why it is known as the Indus Valley civilization, because both cities were found near Indus Valley and river, near bank of the Indus River and the bank of the Ravi River. Okay. Now the next thing, why these cities were known as first cities? Because first time in both cities we have got planning of cities. So now the city was divided in two parts, west and east. Here the west part was higher but smaller than east part, and we can cover this area by one boundary also. So you can imagine that this is the area of one city, but city was divided in two parts, west part and east part. East part was big and west part was small, and this part was authorized for living ruling party, people of related to ruling party, and the very important person they were living in that area, and this is known as a citadel. Now in east part was lower part, and here the maximum person were living who are related to common person, and this is a lower part of the city, right? Now this was the area. Now in India also these cities are found. Now the present time Harappa and Mohenjo-daro both are located in Pakistan. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro and Mohenjo-daro are located in Pakistan. Now in India also some sites are found, and in Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat, and in UP, right? So these are the sites where we have got many evidence which have been proved that here some cities were also were located, which were related to Indus Valley civilization. I am telling you two cities, name of the two cities. First is Kalibangan and second is Lothal. Kalibangan and Lothal both are the archaeological site of India, and Kalibangan, present time Kalibangan is located in Rajasthan, and Lothal is located in Gujarat. Right, and here some potteries were found, some type of the sculpture was found, which were similar in all cities. That's why we can say that these cities were located and they were running at the same time. Now in Kalibangan and Lothal, some fire altars were found, and these fire altars were used for sacrifices. And in Gujarat, in Lothal, storehouses were found. So why these storehouses were found? What was the purpose? So I think Lothal, Gujarat, the coastal area, and Lothal is located in Gujarat, and here storehouses were found. It has been proved that some trading relationship was also there from other civilization which were running at the same time in other part of world. For example, in Mesopotamia. Present time Mesopotamia is located in Iraq. I think you know that where the Iraq is located. In Gulf country Iraq is located, right? And because in Lothal we have got the seal. On that time some seals were also found, and which were related to that particular civilization. So see, here in Lothal we have got this seal which were running in Mesopotamia. So we can correlate that the trading relationship between Lothal and Mesopotamia, right? Now the next thing is, so these are important features of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro cities. And now the one important building were also discovered by archaeologists, that is known as a Great Bath. Great Bath. Great Bath is a very big pond which was discovered by archaeologists, and it was used to take sacrifices, and it was used also religious bath. And why it is and this Great Bath was constructed by the baked bricks. So you can imagine that on that time they were using baked bricks. They were using some material to for construction. They were using gypsum for plaster. So they were having the many techniques and technology to making of very good cities, to develop a very advanced cities. The architecture was very good, and they were also using the tar for plaster, and they had this Great Bath was the watertight tank was there. Means there was no leakage of the water, and this Great Bath was used for religious bath, and at this time to time they were using this Great Bath for the religious purpose. So here we have got it the some point that they were using the baked bricks. They were having this technology of the plaster. They were using some material, gypsum as like that for the plaster, and some roads were also, we have found roads which were proper roads. The technology was used, these roads were interlocking pattern. Roads were constructed by the interlocking patterns. So you can imagine that the present time, many times you have seen that this type of interlocking pattern we are using to making streets and roads, present time. And in that earlier time they were using this type of pattern. So architecture was very good of the Harappan and Mohenjo-daro. Now the houses were found. There was houses were found, single story and the double story. All type of houses were found, and in houses there's a proper ventilation, there's a proper room, storehouse, kitchen, verandas, and the courtyard were also there in houses. And streets were. Streets in city, the streets were running at the right angle. This type of the streets were constructed in that cities, and the drainage system was also constructed along with the streets, and there are some main hole were also constructed for the clean of these type of the drainage system. So there was a very proper town planning. So that's why we can say Harappan civilization and Indus Valley civilization was famous for town planning. Town planning, first thing, and second thing, drainage system. So town planning, Harappan civilization was famous for town planning and drainage system. And there's some other point are also there, that they had used many type of techniques making of sculpture. So where in Mohenjo-daro we have got it one sculpture, that is a old man, and that old man is wearing a cotton shawl, and it is decorated from the flower. And so you can imagine that they were having this technology to making of cotton clothes and the making of shawl, and they were using this type of clothes on that time. And as a looking, that old man was considered as a priest and a very head of any society, right? So, and in that means in both cities, we can see, if you will thoroughly you will read your chapter, then you will get idea that they have the many occupation also. Their many craft person was also there. They were using the many techniques and technology of making of pottery and making of pots and many things. And they were using some seals. And so shape of the seals were, many times these seals were in rectangle form, many times these seals were in circle form, and these seals were used for the identification of the any society of any group of the trade, right? And because we couldn't identify any script of Indus Valley civilization. So by these type of the archaeological evidence, we can say that at the same time in all over the world, this type of the civilization was going on mainly in the Indian subcontinent, right? So I think you have understood that the idea of the first earlier cities, which was running in the Harappan and Mohenjo-daro, and many cities in India also. In next chapter, we will discuss the next topics, and if you have any point you have not understood, then you will ask me in my class. Okay. Thank you, class. Thank you so much.